everybody, Coach Connie here, and I have something really exciting to show you, and it's been a while, so I thought I'd better show you because people are asking me about the keto program, about some other things. I have some things in the works that I'm doing, but anyway, what I'm going to show you is membership into Get Fit with Connie. It's a year-long membership, and how you get it is by getting a year-long membership with Beachbody. So when you sign up with Beachbody for $99 in a year, you get access to all of their great trainers and world-class exercises, almost 800 of them, along with their nutrition plans. You also get access to Fixate, which is a cooking channel. You can download your recipes and your shopping list for your favorite cooking meals that you see on Fixate. But what you get access to, in addition to Beachbody for $99 a year, is into my Get Fit with Connie. And that's what I want to show you because I think some of you are really going to love this. So hold on, I'm going to share my screen so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So here it is. This is the membership. You will get a link to this membership area. You'll set up your own password and you'll see you have three main sections you'll go to, and that is meal plans, resources, and your videos. Your meal plans, every single month you get a new meal plan released, and you have resources, which are things like cleanses. We'll take a look at those, and you have your coaching videos. So I come in and do live coaching. If you're not able to attend, that's fine. I record them and you get to rewatch them here. So I want to give you a sneak peek into each one of these areas. Let's first take a look at your meal plans. You have access to all of these meal plans that I've launched this January. Each month you get a new one sent out to you in email, and you always have access to this area. So when you join, you get access to all of these. So notice there's a keto-ish one that I think some of you might be interested in. If I click on it, okay, then I can download it. And you just do a direct download to your computer. We take a peek at it so you can see what kind of meal plans these are. So here you go. Here's 1 month that was released. It's called Keto-ish. It really helps prepare you for a ketogenic diet if you're interested in that. But you can see it has a lot of great things, and every month there's a new meal plan release. So if you're interested in eating healthy, getting these meal plans, this is really what you want to go for. It's just the best value for your buck. So look at all these different, right now you have 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. Next month I'm releasing a fall meal plan, all clean eating, all really good for you and delicious recipes. I think you're gonna love them. But let's see what else you get in the Get Fit with Connie. I wanna show you your resource library. Every single month I release new resources in your resource library, okay? It's part of your membership. So let's check some of the resources you will already get as soon as you sign up with your Beachbody On Demand annual membership for $99. You're gonna get how to do your own at-home blood sugar test kit. You're gonna have another ebook, and it'll be how to kick cooked sugar to the curb. You're gonna have a how to love yourself skinny. I have a book on how to optimize your digestion. I have another club book on how to become a healthy chocoholic. There's another tool on breathing exercises. I give you a tool on how to get grateful and find balance in your life. You have another guide on anti-aging. There's a batch cooking planner that's lots of fun. I give you a grain-free and food combining guide. You have a 72-hour detox guide, and you have a 3-day juice cleanse. But every single month, plus some, I give you these resources. Let's take a peek at the 3-day juice cleanse. So look at what the 3-day juice cleanse looks like, okay? And you'll just download it. So it gives you some education on juicing, okay? You'll have some links, and then you get your steps to begin your cleanse of your juice. You get what the dirty dozen is, what to do during the cleanse, and here's a simple 3-day run book that you're going to use. different detox symptoms if you experience them, what to do, and then all your delicious recipes. So, I mean, this is just one of the many tools that you get in the Get Fit with Connie membership. Let's go back and take a look at what else you get. Your third area is videos, and those are the coaching calls, and I call these the golden moments. I mean, if you ever wondered what health coaching is about, this gives you a really good viewpoint into what health coaching is all about. I come in and I do coaching calls on different topics, like change it up. You know, we get stuck in ruts, and the first call I did is we need to change it up. Women in Heart Health is another coaching call, how to set trigger points. So when you know in your life certain things set you off and you go down a path, you either stop your exercising, you eat a whole bag of potato chips. In that coaching call called Setting Trigger Points, I teach you how to figure out where your trigger points are and how to disguise and not have them affect you in a negative way. Top tips for anti-aging, the importance of your why, your breakthrough, your joy blockers, a weekly detox, and a meditation for your most wonderful. So every month I'm recording these coaching calls. So you can see your $99 membership with Beachbody, annual membership with Beachbody, is filled with tons of stuff besides exercises. You get recipes for their programs, you get calendars, you get the Fixate cooking channel where you see something, you can download its recipe and download the shopping list. But in addition, I give you access to my Get Fit with Connie membership club, which I really believe is going to give you the best value for your buck going anywhere. I don't know anyone else doing this. You get an introduction to coaching with live coaching calls. You get all your meal plans. You get to play with all clean eating meal plans. And then you get your resource library with all those tools I loaded up for you with detoxes and cleanses, juice cleanses, but tons of tools. It's yours for a year for as long as you have your Beachbody membership. So I just wanted to, let me stop this. I wanted to just show you because I just don't think some of you realize what all you get with this. I promise you it's an over delivery and not under delivery. Just the membership with Beachbody alone. You'll get in a group with us and do different, I work out, you know I do my Beachbody. So I am a Beachbody girl all the way. They have the world's best trainers and the best programs I've ever done. When I want to do yoga, I have yoga. If I want to do plyo, I do plyo. If I want to do MMA, mixed martial arts, I have MMA. If I want to do HIIT routines, I have HIIT routines. I have my favorite trainers. And if I want to change it up every day, there's a challenge to joy that changes it up every day. I mean, I just got done doing 2 of my programs, but you will love it. But on top of it, you get into this Get Fit with Connie group that has so much more for you that I think you're going to love. So if you're interested, you know, give me a shout out, you know, message me, let me know. I send you the link. You pay your $99. You get Beachbody and you get Fit with Connie with all the things I give you in Get Fit with Connie. I really think you're going to find this to be the best program ever. Okay, bye-bye.